Hey everyone, in this episode of Classroom Digital Tools, we will cover some exciting changes that are forthcoming on this channel, as well as discuss YouTube's new monetization process. First of all, everyone, thank you very much for your support. We have reached a milestone by surpassing 20,000 views. However, there is much more growth that Classroom Digital Tools can experience. As part of this growth, we are being watched from multiple countries. Now, I said in a previous video that travel vlogs will be included on Classroom Digital Tools, but upon further consideration, I did decide to create a brand new YouTube channel called Travel Odysseys. You can find the link for Travel Odysseys in the video description. However, it is also the top featured channel on the main page of Classroom Digital Tools. I chose to post the travel vlogs on a new channel, Travel Odysseys, because I believe that it will create a broader appeal and help my ultimate goal of educating others about all the extraordinary things that are available in the world. Another change that will be implemented is that the animal videos will now be featured on Travel Odysseys. So those of you who are subscribers to Classroom Digital Tools, if you love the animal videos, if you would love to learn more about travel, please make certain that you subscribe to Travel Odysseys. I will still be releasing new videos for Classroom Digital Tools. However, since the summer months are slowly creeping up upon us, I will be putting more emphasis upon the travel videos to help people in their preparations for summer vacation. However, just to let you know, in middle February my video production rate will probably slow a bit because I will have to get some surgery for hernia. Now, one really cool thing about this, and there is a really cool thing about it, is that the hospital may actually film the surgery. And if they film it, they'll give me a copy of it, and of course I plan on posting that on YouTube. I'm thinking of the potential titles right now, like Dan Barrett's Hernia Surgery, fun for the entire family. On a more serious note, YouTube has recently implemented some policy changes. Basically, in order for a channel owner to make any sort of money on YouTube, that channel must first have 1,000 subscribers and a total of 4,000 hours of video time watched. Now, I really thank you for subscribing, but if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And after clicking on it, make certain that you click on the bell icon right next to it, so that way you will be notified whenever a new video is published. Also, while you're at it, please subscribe to Travel Odysseys. Travel Odysseys will feature a lot of fun videos that will help you learn more about the world and many of the fun and cool things that you can do. If you're not sure how to subscribe to a YouTube channel, I will be making a video very soon demonstrating the process, and also another video showing you how to create a Gmail account, because you must have a Gmail account in order to subscribe. And if you are a student who is subscribed to both of these channels, after you graduate, that Gmail account will probably be deactivated. So make certain that you create a brand new Gmail account so that way you can subscribe to both channels, get updates about new videos, and never miss out. One of the ways in which you can help this channel is by simply clicking on videos and then play all. That way you can enjoy the videos one after the other. Oh, and if a commercial plays, please don't hit the skip button. We need to support the advertisers who sometimes make some outstanding commercials to educate us about their products. Also, it's through those commercials that YouTube channel owners get compensated. Thank you again for your support, and always remember, the field of education is one of the most important jobs in the world. Through education, people become wiser, they become stronger, they become more adaptable, and they become productive citizens. So teachers, hey, you rock. This is Dan Barrett for Classroom Digital Tools. Thank you very much for watching my channel, subscribing to this channel, giving this video a thumbs up, posting helpful comments, and thank you as always for your great support. It is deeply appreciated. See you on next video.